Hi, I'm Alexander from René, Paris and Aderans. Today I'm going to share something new with you guys. I have a new human hair wig from the Orchid Collection. In here we have Olivia, and Olivia is in coffee noir. Now coffee noir, not that I'm a linguist, but that means black coffee. And here it is. So it's not a million miles away from the colour of black coffee. It's like that lovely espresso shade. Just looks absolutely amazing. But for all of our René of Paris customers out there that are used to buying our synthetic and our heat-friendly styles, other than those styles, although they are always ready to wear, our human hair, is ready to wear, but will need minimal styling. So, if it might need a little bit straightening or a little bit of curling or perhaps a little bit of smoothing. The hair is amazing quality. Amazing, just feels fantastic. We've got the long side with bangs here, long side with fringe, the face framing layers. So you can see out the box, we can pretty much see as the style is sitting. All I want to do is just put a little bit of bend in this piece. What you can do is you want to have the root flat, is you can use this onto the root like so. So you see, by holding that hair and running the heat over, you can see how that flattens this top really nicely. I'm just not going to overthink this curl pattern right now. So I'm just going in like so. You can see I roll the hair around the tongue or the wand. Terminology doesn't matter too much, but some people would call this a tongue, I call this a wand. And that's the beauty of human hair, ladies and gentlemen, is, we can achieve so many different looks. We can have one of any different curl pattern, We can go poker straight, really, really, really straight. We can go smooth, but with bend, There's a lot of different ways we can work with the human hair. Now we have this last section, which is the bangs. So we could do a couple of things here, okay? I could carry on with the curl pattern. I could straighten through, or, and this is what I'm going to do, I could just bend. Okay, let me turn around so you can see. So I could just bend that whole fringe panel around the conical wand and then take that one out, okay? Now what that does, obviously it's given us a little bit of shape running through, but it also given us a bit of curl to work into the rest of the style. So what I'm going to do now is just with the wand, just with the wide tooth comb, and just to break this up, I'm just running this comb through the hair, very gently, okay? So very gently, very gently. And I start from roughly about the middle of the head. So if you were to line up with the temple of the head, I start roughly that line as it was drawn across the head here. And just going to turn our young lady round, and that coffee noir colour just really pops, really pops, and the shine coming off this is absolutely amazing. I think that this is definitely one of my favourite brunettes for sure. I am now just going to break her up. Okay, so that's a little bit of a beachy kind of curl, gorgeous human hair wig. Let's bring her a little bit closer, guys, so we can see that. I mean, look at that texture, looks amazing, so cool, lovely wave, very beachy, very fashionable right now. It's kind of undone but done, stunning curl. We've left the ends that little bit straighter, but it's still got movement. And we've left that top really nice and flat. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is definitely one to watch and probably one of my favourite human hair wigs. Isn't she gorgeous? Amazing. So that was Olivia. So today you've been watching me, I'm Alexander Turnbull, and you've been tuned in to René of Paris and Aderans. This is one of our new human hair wigs. This is Olivia in the Orchid Collection. Olivia today, we've been working with this in Coffee Noir, which is an espresso shaded dark brown, and it is beautiful. So, as always, thank you for tuning in. Remember, watch us on all forms of social media, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.